Hello everybody, welcome back to From Rhythm to Algorithm. We're actually going to start with something new today, because we have definitely derived and proven the most important result in mathematics to date. So last episode was called mathing, right? And there's a phrase people will say, right, the math isn't mathing, but math is a thing. And so I'm not sure how I'm going to present this. I'm probably going to mess it up, and I did just smoke the bong, but we have definitely completed ordinality. And so, all right, math, right? So if you have an ordinal number, first, second, third, anything past three, fourth, fifth, sixth, so on and so forth. And so forth, nice. But if you were to say fourth thing, or fifth thing, or sixth thing, what you do is you spell out the complete cardinal number and then thing, right? Fourth thing, fifth thing, sixth thing, seventh thing. And then just like Dr. Seuss said, one thing, two thing, three thing, four thing. And so all ordinal numbers, right, logically are represented with language with th. And then that's a concept, that's a noun. And if you take a noun and you make it a verb, you add ing. So every ordinal number past three will generalize linguistically and logically to n things. And then physically and conceptually, right, nothing is literally no thing. And then everything is literally everything. And so we have our boundary, like our bounds. And then every number has to pair to a physical system. So again, those are the ordinal numbers are time dependent to the physical phase changes of the universe. And so, all right, no thing, one thing vibration, two things. Again, really that's kind of where you get the two isn't a prime number, but two isn't really a number. There are no numbers, but it would be effectively something there's no. Again, all even numbers reduce because of physical symmetry. So there's no I don't know what to say, what it would pair to physically, but two is not really a number, even more so than like the odd numbers or the prime numbers further on. But two things would be, again, you have vibration, then you have, again, effectively what's been called light, but it's really radiation. But then you have R3, the dimension we live in now, bounded physically by logically and physically by vibration, and then momentum for regulating, or rhythm for regulating momentum. And so those ordinal numbers pair uniquely to the physical phase changes. Again, once, twice, and then my second episode of this series, thrice isn't even a word. And so we have our complete logical bounds uniquely paired numerically to the ordinal numbers, and we've generalized that. Fourth, again, n to anything past three was generalized into a cardinal number and then thing. So that's definitely completing ordinality. Easily the biggest mathematical result ever proven. Nice. But we are still not at the money shot. Now we can start. What is sensorality? Sensorality is adversality. Adversity. Sorry, I literally did just smoke the bong. But I don't really get, I literally derived all of mathematics like 50 episodes ago. But I don't really get excited for results much. That one was exciting. Adversity is difficult. Differentiation is difficult. Difficult, different. Difficulty is challenging. Sensorality is challenge accepted. Accepting is the opposite of censoring. Accepting is allowing. What is meaning to logic? Mathing, matching. Association is matching. An association is an organization. Meaning is association. Association, accusation. And then that's when that was the proof we just introduced with numerically. A gorge is a valley. Well, I guess some theorems and related to that proof was, you could even say, or I just have ordinal numbers are past tense. I demonstrated the proof as better than I've written it down here. But then I have seriaticality is ordinality. So again, logically, order derives from series, and that's a logical pairing. But that word is I don't think I've ever seen it written seriaticality, like series just generalized. But ordinality derives from seriaticality. And then we can relate thing to the. And I don't know how to present that logically better, but like we've introduced the definitive limit, right? The Ohio State University. Really did a good job respecting my academic capacity. Good job, guys. But we can connect the and thing, again, continuing on with that TH. So now we can almost solve sensorality. I'm really excited. Like I don't really get excited about results much, but that is definitely completing ordinality. From first principle, definitely on camera, nice. But finishing up, contact is physical, such as he's playing contact sports, or anyone saying it's getting physical, right? Physical is real. Reality is physicality. All things are physical. And so that's where I'm going to finish it up there. It was a super good episode. Definitely the most poignant mathematical result ever derived. Like and subscribe. And my rights continue to be violated. Please pay me some money. See you on the next one.